Welcome back into Talking Fitchburg from the Rolling Pin Bake Shop right here in beautiful City of Fitchburg. And I'm here with the nicest person I know today, Tanya.
Hi, Jeremy.
How are you doing?
Fine. How are you?
You're the best. You're the best.
I
Happy
know.
Halloween.
Happy Halloween to you. Are you ready for Halloween?
I am certainly ready for Halloween. I haven't picked out my costume yet, but I've been eating all the candy.
Okay. Well,
And
don't eat too many
and I
candy.
see there's some Halloween treats here that
That's
I'm going to
right.
be taking advantage
All
of
right.
right after we're done with this segment.
Okay.
But I have tasked you with making the best Halloween dessert, and you brought me dirt.
Yeah,
What-
it looks like.
you look. What is
what
all
is
this?
this?
What
Okay.
are you doing today?
Well,
Like,
Jeremy.
if this looks like
I
the
know.
outcome of what I would
Doesn't
bake.
it?
Like,
Yeah, I know.
I don't know. Maybe the instructions weren't clear.
Makes no sense, right? But it makes sense.
Okay. All right.
So we're
Take us
gonna-
through the motion.
Okay. You know, I bake lots of cakes here.
No.
And while we are baking, we have some little extra scraps from the cake,
Mhm.
and I don't really want to waste it. So today I'm gonna show you what you can do with the scraps of cake, or you can bake cupcakes.
So
and-
what you're saying is, when I fail at making cake, this is what I'll do.
Yes,
I got
top of the cake.
Got it.
That's the top of the cake.
That's the top,
So
okay.
you slice the cake, and the top goes in the cake bowls. We're gonna do cake bowls.
Okay.
All right. So what I did, I collected some chocolate cake tops and marble cake and vanilla cake. So, and I put a little bit of buttercream, which is right here. So you mix it very good together, and this is what it comes to.
This is why I thought it was dirt, because
It looks like dirt, right?
yes, it
But
does.
it's very yummy.
It's very.
Very
Well, why don't you just give me the
delicious.
bowl and we'll stop the segment and then we'll come back.
Okay, and then you take a little bit of how you say it, dirt? Cake
Cake,
dirt, right?
cake dirt. Okay. Yep. Take the
Okay,
dirt, roll it up.
Roll it in the bowl. So perfect bowl, right? And then you put it on your, I don't know, you can use tray and put it in the freezer. Okay?
Put it in the freezer.
Yes, put it in the freezer and freeze it.
Why?
I will tell you why. So today it's a special Halloween segment we are doing, right?
Yeah, I told you.
So
Had
we're
to be
gonna
Halloween themed.
Surprise.
All right. So you're putting this into the freezer for how
In
long?
the freezer, maybe for an hour, 45 to an hour.
Okay.
Okay, 45 minutes. And then you melt your candy coating, white preferably.
What's the candy
White
coating? Is this like a
candy
white?
coating.
What's white candy coating?
You can use
For
white
dummies like this
chocolate
guy.
or candy coating. It's just it's not exactly chocolate, but it's candy coating.
Well, for all you
You
bakers
can-
out there, as long as you know
I
what it
think I
is.
know what it is.
Okay.
So, and what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use a plastic fork, and I'm gonna insert it in my dirt bowl.
Cake ball.
Cake bowl.
You brought it from dirt to cake
There
ball.
we go.
Okay.
And I'm gonna dip it in white chocolate.
Ooh.
Let's say it's white chocolate. Okay. I'm gonna use my hand to
And cover up the.
cover all, but then I'm gonna insert it again, so it's gonna stay there. And then very quickly, I'm gonna put little edible fondant piece. Okay, like that.
Looks like a pickle.
So we applied little fondant piece. Bakers who bake at home, they know what fondant is. It's basically sugar paste, and you put little food coloring in there, make it different colors: blue, green, yellow, whatever you want, brown, like your brown eyes. And yeah, and roll it out and cut it.
Do you have to put that in the fridge or anything, or
No, you don't.
just roll it
It's
out
just
and then?
like a candy, yeah.
Okay.
And then I have this little black icing bag, okay? And I'm gonna make a little. What does it look like?
It looks like a monster.
eyeball on the stick.
Oh.
And I have strawberry filling here.
Okay.
And to make it very creepy, Halloweeny,
A
you just
blood-
put the
A blood eye.
blood eye. You can actually dip it like this or just keep it in the strawberry filling. Look how cool it is.
Oh my gosh, this is the cool. So when I said make a Halloween treat, you thought, well, Jeremy always has
definitely
blood
made a
eyes,
Halloween
so
treat, did I?
yeah.
Yep.
Why I always have blood eyes. This is awesome.
It's simple and very, very clever and very cool, I think. That's how I like to celebrate my Halloween.
Blood eyes.
Blood eyes.
Well,
There
it's
you go.
simple, easy one to do, and you could do. Could you do a raspberry, a
Yes,
strawberry,
you can do-
mix it
yeah.
up?
I like
Anything with.
cherry. This is, we make it here all the time, strawberry filling. I love the taste of that. And if you will taste the eyeball with the strawberry filling, here, bite.
Well, I'm not letting me feed me on camera. We can't do that.
Okay. How delicious is that?
Amazing.
Amazing. There we go. You just ate eyeball.
Well, that's a first on this show. Preston, you see what you miss out on when you're not here. That's all I'm saying.
Yes, Preston, you missed out.
We're setting Preston from now on, by the way.
All right,
No,
no
I'm just
problem.
kidding. All right, you need to come down to the Rolling Pin Bake Shop. Halloween treats, eyeballs, bloodshot eyeballs, or these cool cupcakes, whatever the case may be. Stop on down. Say hi to Tanya. Tell her
Thank you.
Jeremy sent you. That way you know that they're watching.
Yeah,
You see how
they're
it is?
watching. Here they are.
All right. The eyeballs are watching me. All right, that does it from here in the Rolling Bake Shop. Happy Halloween,
Happy
Tanya. Thank you so
Halloween to
much.
you,
And
Jeremy.
we'll take a quick
Thank
break.
you.
You are watching Talking Fitchburg.